Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you want to see how I got this messy but cute mohawk, then keep on watching. So first I just sectioned my hair in 4 sections. This was on an old braiding curl, and I woke up on Christmas morning and I'm like, you know what, I want to style my hair. Now why I thought it was going to be dried in 2 hours, I don't know. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is basically just spritz my hair with water, and I'll be styling my hair with Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This has been my go-to product for the last couple of styles and I've been loving it. So once I detangle my hair with my wide tooth comb, I'm just going to go ahead and add some product and begin to roll my hair starting from the root to the end. I'm going to start rolling my hair, and like I said, I'll be starting from the top, working my way to the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of my hair. So I will add product, detangle with my comb, and begin to roll. And if I notice that the hair is not secure enough at the end, I'll just add a little gel. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of how it looks once I rolled all of my hair. I used about 14 or 15 rollers, and because I want this style to be done as soon as possible, I'm going to go ahead and use my hand dryer and begin to blow dry my hair. Alright, so after about 10 minutes, I'm going to undo the rollers, and as you can see, my hair is still pretty damp. So what I did was just unravel the front, and then I went in with my dryer again to dry the rest of my hair. So after about another 10 minutes, I decided to take the rest down, but my hair was still pretty wet, so I'm like, you know what, forget it, I don't have time for this. So I went ahead and unraveled my hair, unraveled the curls, separated them, and tried to make the best of this style as I can. Alright guys, so after I have unraveled my hair, I'm just going to pick it out and fluff it out a little bit to give it a little volume. And I'm not going to get much because my hair again was still pretty wet. So once I did that, I just pinned it in place in certain areas so that I don't have any spaces in between. And this is what I came up with. This is the final look. Overall, I think my hair came out pretty good, guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.